Bitcoin is red hot in El Salvador, and the country says it plans to use power from its volcanoes to mine it. El Salvador President Nayib Bukele, just hours after the country's legislature approved the Bitcoin law, making it the first to accept Bitcoin as legal tender, that the nation's state-owned geothermal electric company will harness volcanic energy to mine the cryptocurrency. Bukele said the country is already designing a mining hub that will use very cheap, 100% clean, 100% renewable energy from volcanoes to power the operation, which effectively would be a bank of super-powered computers that solve the complex mathematical equations required to mine Bitcoin. "Our engineers just informed me that they dug a new well," Bukele tweeted, saying it would generate 95 megawatts of energy, enough to power more than 500 homes for a year. "What you see coming out of the well is pure water vapor." Bukele, who is looking to lower transaction fees on the $6 billion in yearly remittances sent to its citizens from abroad, has yet, however, to reveal when the new operation will be live or how many bitcoins he expects to be able to mine.